Guys, September 17th, 2020. Getting a little cold here in the morning. Like probably 55 last night. But anyway, I got a call from this lady where she's got an oil burner that's all full of soot. Needs to be cleaned, and I asked her about the last guy that, you know, did the service. There's a company around here that the guy retired. That was the company, so she needs a new burner, man. So, sounds to me like I'm gonna have to go there and pull it all apart. She could smell fumes down cellar, she said. So that's not good. So we'll have to go there and brush it down and vacuum it out, clean it, get it back up and working again, and check the nozzle and give it the old once over. So that's what I'm up against this morning, first thing. Usually I don't like doing these jobs, they're all full of soot, but probably make for a good video. So Miss Molly's got a sweater on this morning. We're chilly out. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get there. We're gonna need to wear this when we go in there and see how bad it is. If it's bad, we ain't going in.
Put the tape on.
Yeah, I put the tape up there.
Right.
Just to, I mean, it was there before. And he wiggled this around, it ripped a hole, and then we started smelling it pretty constantly.
Yeah.
But now we're smelling it again. And
Smelling it? Smelling it all the time, or just once in a while?
No, just once
Well,
in a
maybe you're getting a delay spark or something.
Yeah, well,
let me do my service on
Okay.
it, and then we'll start it and we'll check the draft. I mean, if we don't get a good draft up there, then it's all choked. This is a steel boiler.
Yeah.
Sometimes you got to take the baffles out.
Yeah, they've been...
How long's it been?
Fast. But I don't remember the last
19. All right.
Well, it was...
The sun is-
Yeah.
It pops. It makes a loud noise. So
Okay. Yeah. Let's see what's going on with it. This is loose. It's supposed to be bolted in there. I know this guy that used to take the burner nozzle out, see what we got going on with that. Sounds like they're getting a delay spark here, that's what it sounds like to me. It's still good. Yeah, it does look a little high there. I'll check that. It's been about 1.5 years since they did the service on this thing, so. It's not looking bad. 8580, which is a little bigger than I put in there. That's what we're gonna go with when we set the electrodes down. Here's carburetor cleaner that I use. Tweak them in a little bit because I'm going to reset the electrodes a little closer. I'm not saying that's the problem, but we're going to reset it a little bit. See if we're getting a bringing those electrodes down more. Bring the spark down more. See if we get a better start like that. See what we get for how it starts off, and we'll check our draft. Just turn our low limit up for now to run it. Stop that price here. We're getting a good draft here. We're getting a good draft over the fire. Watch. See it? That needs a screw. A bolt. Seems to be starting up nice now. We'll check our oil flow. See how that opens. Check our oil flow. We should have a bolt for that in the truck. Check the oil flow, see what we got for oil flow. See it? Filters are fine. Filters are fine. Don't need to change them. We'll check for a bolt. Size we need. It might be. Yeah, that's definitely the size we need, right? Shouldn't be a problem now. so it's not all choked up because I'm getting a good draft over the fire. We're getting a good oil flow, so we know the filters are still clean. If the oil flow is coming out good here into my bucket, I know that the filters are still clean, so I don't change them. Alright, new nozzle, reset electrodes, clean burner head, good draft over fire, good oil flow. So good draft over fire means it's not full of soot. Good oil flow means the filters are still good. And I did reset the electrodes and it's firing up. I did put a screw in there, a bolt. So what was probably happening was when it would fire, that door would open all the time because it was getting a delay spark. And she's starting to smell it down here. So now that shouldn't be an issue. Well, hello there, Miss Molly. Well, hello there. Well, hello there, Miss Molly. You want pets? Oh, yeah, you love pets. You love pets. Yeah, you love pets. All right, let's go. Come on. Silver. Silver. Huh?
Right on Geneva Street. Turn right on Geneva Street, then take the first right. Turn right on Wing Avenue, then take the first left. Turn left on Covered Avenue, then take the second left.